like white patches everywhere on your skin, white dots everywhere, green veins, like your skin is, I don't know, transparent, stretch marks left and right, dull skin, flaky skin. I got you. You don't know what to do, you're confused. Don't worry, I got you. You go around using bobo tigbo, your skin is damaged. You deserve to be punished, but it's okay. I'm going to give you a solution. Just hold on. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for always stopping by. Thank you for sticking around. I love you like no man's business. Now, if you are just stopping by for the very first time, thank you for coming around. I'm your girl, for a young 20, and on this channel, I'm all about skincare on a budget. Though once in a while, I do high-end skincare for the big ladies in the house, for the boss mamas. And we do DIYs, of course. We do glowing the skin from the inside to the outside, and so many things. Anything that concerns skincare. We are all about skincare, but we're not ready to break the bank. So if you are interested in things like that, please subscribe to this channel, join this family. Let's glow together, share our videos, check them out, love them, like them if you really do enjoy them. So I'm back, my beautiful people. And if you are familiar with me, you know, each time I go out and see beautiful products, I either try them on my skin, or maybe the product is targeting a particular thing or a specific thing that I'm not suffering from, skin issue that I'm not suffering from at the moment. I do research, I talk to people, I go and find reviews, make inquiries, and I come back to tell you about them. But today, this product I'm talking to you about is something I've been using on my skin. Like, if you love the skin you are seeing, if you are somebody who likes the shade I am in, go and get this product, because this is just what I have been using on my skin and nothing more. This is just what, anyway, I use soap as well, but this is the lotion I've been using on my skin. I've been taking a break from skin lightening product for about a month and a half, yeah, and I've been using natural products, and this is the product I'm using on my skin, or I've been using on my skin for a while, and this product is the bomb. This is the Beautifying lotion from the Candy Love Nature Care skincare line. Ha! This product, when I saw this product and it said Beautifying lotion, I was like, which one be Beautifying lotion now? Which level is this? Which one is Beautifying lotion? But I just, because I'm at the stage where when I'm taking a break, you're taking a break from skin lightening products, you don't just want to go for moisturizers. You want to go for moisturizers that are going to firm your skin, that are going to repair your skin, that are going to give like skin building products, that are going to rejuvenate your skin, because you don't want to go dark. Because if you just stop without knowing what you're doing, you stop anyhow, you use anything on your skin, you might end up developing stretch marks, you might end up developing some side effects of skin bleaching, especially if you were using harsh chemicals on your skin. Fortunately, I don't use such chemicals on my skin, but I saw that there was a need for me to use products that are going to heal my skin. You're kind of detoxifying your skin from all chemicals, from lightening products that you have been using. So I went ahead and I got this Beautifying lotion from Candy Love Nature Care. This product is to die for. Like, it got to a point where I almost asked I had to contact the skincare brand to ask them if honestly this product is not a lightening product, it's not a brightening product, because my skin was like looking good. Like, can't you see my skin? Can't you see my skin? Now, if you have been on this channel, you know I use lightening products, and this is me in my natural skin shade. This is how I am when I'm actually not using natural product and lightening products. So you can see, isn't this brown skin good? So if you're a brown skin girl, please pause this video, go down, check the website, rush, go get your own this product. If you don't want to lighten your skin, if you are using lightening products too, this is a good one for you to get. It is not a lightening product, it's not going to lighten your skin, it is going to glow your skin. This is what I've been using on my skin. Look at my skin, guys. This is what I've been using on my skin. It's going to glow your skin, it's going to renew your skin. If you're suffering from dark patches, white dots, all those crazy, oh my god, excuse the lighting is crazy, the sun just, excuse me. If you're having chicken pox, scars, and all those things on your skin, come, no go. Those kind of things that visit you, they don't want to go. Please go and get this product, because it's going to do you good. Now, I'll quickly rush through the ingredients. It contains aqua, which is water, of course, mineral oil, sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is so amazing for skin glowing. Coconut oil, yes. Carrot oil brightens your skin. Maybe that's why vitamin C, vitamin E, fruit extracts, fragrance, and herbal. Like, what else do you want? when you get almond oil, you have vitamin E, you have vitamin C, you have carrot oil. What else do you want? Like, what did I even expect from this product? It glows your skin. Like, guys, if you want to glow your skin, go and get this product. If you're taking a break from skin lightening products, go and get this product. Now, don't come and ask me again, please, ma, what are you using on your skin? This is what I'm using on my skin. If you're watching this video and want to ask me what I'm using on my skin, don't ask me. This is what I'm using on my skin. This is it. And I'm not joking about it. Let me show you how it comes out. It's almost finished anyway. And this is a 200 ml, but I have a 500 ml as well. I went for the 200 ml because I just wanted to try it and see how it is. This is it. See how it glides on in the skin. See, this is what I've been using on my skin, and it's so amazing. Like, it absorbs so easily. It's highly moisturizing. It repairs your skin. It doesn't give you even stretch marks. Rather, it's going to help you. Like, prolonged usage with this thing is going to give you a more beautiful and flawless skin. So if you don't want to brighten your skin, you don't want to lighten your skin, go and get this lotion. This lotion is going to give you your original skin tone. Like me, this is my original skin when I'm not using lightening products. I've been away from lightening products about a month and a half, and I'm so loving my skin. I'm loving my skin, guys. If you like this product, please go and get it. And you can talk to them. They have a website. You have a Facebook page. You can contact them if you want to see their reviews on Facebook. I will leave everything below. If you want to, you have an app. You can download their app on your phone. Like, they're just doing amazing. This brand is amazing. If you're looking for lightening products as well, you can get them. If you're looking for brightening products, you can get them. If you're looking for products for kids, my baby has been using this product for a while. The baby line for a while. I'm going to show you in another video, talk about it. If you are interested, anything you want, whether you have they have the snow milk, they have the crystal glow, they have the luxurious or luxury something, like the brand is big. They have black soaps, they have shower gels, they have face creams, serums, and so on and so forth. I'm so loving my skin. Candy Love Nature Care. There you are, the bomb. Like, you are blessed. Your hands are really blessed, and I'm I pray God blesses your business more and more. And I'm so much enjoying this product, and I'm definitely going to stick to it for a while. Like, it's gonna really be my normal lotion on those times I'm taking breaks from skincare, lightening skincare products. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me rush out before the video becomes too long and boring for those who will watch. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.